I have been screaming this from the rooftops for 2 years, and I promise I won't scream, but I gotta get on this soapbox. So right now, if you want to expand your niche, the very, very best direction to go right now is artificial intelligence.
If you are in the tech world. Now, personally, tech has been down because of artificial intelligence.
Right. Like, so let's say you work in manufacturing, right? You could have a page on your website that was marrying manufacturing to artificial intelligence, marrying telecommunications to artificial intelligence, the intersection of law and artificial intelligence. Like you should have something, because my goodness, is this going to fully disrupt our industry, and you want to be able to fill those jobs.
Well, and this is true, we're talking about it for AI, but let's say I'm in manufacturing and I decide I want to branch out into logistics. The marriage of manufacturing and logistics, my focus in logistics. There's plenty that you would do the exact same way. We can talk about this in terms of AI as an example, and yes, AI is gonna be a big thing till the bubble bursts, and then it'll recover, and that's just how society works these days, but it's gonna be big until that bubble bursts for a couple years. That means there's gonna be a lot of money in doing this. Could you be back in the 90s helping to build the .com bubble? Like, yes, I know the .com bubble also burst, and it's not like there's no more websites.